What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be talking about if it's worth buying a Z in 2022 2023. So pretty much these cars are amazing. I'm gonna tell you guys why you guys should buy a Z in 2022 2023. First reason is because this motor is really reliable. It's a Nissan, so it's gonna be reliable. Number two, you could do a lot of there's like a lot of aftermarket support for these cars. So you could get body kits, you could get carbon fiber fenders, carbon fiber hoods. You could change the back bumpers on these cars. Pretty much anything that you could think of. There's a lot of aftermarket support on these cars. Or you could always boost them. These cars they love the boost, supposedly, the engine. So you could always boost that. Okay. Also, if the headlights, they are there's an aftermarket website to buy headlights. They're called Morimoto. Right now, well, I had the back tail lights, but I took them off because I had to ship them back because one of the sequential lights, the left turning light, wasn't working. So the driver's side. But for 2022, this car is 12 years old. So my Z is a 2010 Nissan Z Nismo. That's why it kind of looks different a little bit, because the front bumper is different. It has the Nismo front bumper. The wheels, it has the Nismo wheels. It has the Nismo side skirt right there. Okay. And then it has the Nismo wing and the Nismo rear bumper. So this is a V1 Nismo, if you guys didn't know. There's V1 Nismos, 370Zs in particular. So there's V1, 370Z Nismo versions, and then there's V2. The V2 doesn't come with the spoiler, and it comes a little bit different. It's a little bit different of a body kit. Okay, guys. Okay, so another reason to buy a Z in 2022 2023 is because if you guys are looking to get into like the car scene or anything, or you guys just like cars, this car will not upset you at all. I've had a lot of cars in my past. I've had three Mustangs, 3 Infinities, two G35s, and 1 G37. And by far, and I also had a 2017 single cab truck. That one's on my channel if you guys want to check it out. It's one of my first videos. I posted it like about a year ago, so check that out. But anyways, the 370Z in my eyes is, I don't think I've ever had a car that I've loved so much. It's this car right here. Anything that I buy for this car, I don't really care about the price, just because I don't know, it can get a little pricey, guys, if you guys do get a Z. I forgot to tell you guys that every part that you buy for this car, it's gonna run you about probably like 500 to 1,000. That's just on one part. So every part is pretty expensive. So if you guys do get a Z, which I hope you guys do, just get ready to spend, but you're gonna want to buy your parts little by little. So just, but at the end of the day, you guys are gonna have a smile on your face, just because this car, once you sit in the driver's seat, it's just amazing. Like I don't think any other car compares to a Z at the end of the day, whether if you have a 350Z or a 370Z or just any Zs, any other Zs, like the older Zs. I haven't been in those, but I'm pretty sure it's the same experience. So yeah, guys, please, if you guys do get a Z, make sure you guys get an oil cooler kit. You guys are gonna want the oil cooler kit because the the engine oil on these cars, it tends to run hot, and that's normal. I'll pop the hood for you guys. So before I pop the hood, I just want to show you guys the interior. So this is not base like the regular 370Z interior. Well, honestly, the only thing that changes is the seats for the Nismo. I believe the steering wheel, so this changes, the gauge changes, so the gauge says Nismo on it. And what else? I think that's it. And I guess the little shifter boot. But besides that, you know, you have the little Nismo mats. But besides that, nothing really changes. It's the Nismo and the base. They're the same engine, so it's the same engine. The only thing that comes with the Nismo is a little bit of suspension. They get a little bit of more aftermarket suspension, and they get the, what do they get? And the body kit and the wheels. The oil cooler, if you guys do get it, it's gonna sit beneath here. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right there. That's the oil cooler right there. That little condenser right there. Okay, those are the oil cooler lines. They go to the sandwich plate goes where the oil filter goes. Okay, sorry, my engine's a little bit dirty. And also you're gonna want to get intakes. Okay, intakes, the oil cooler. But yeah, guys, if you guys have any questions, just let me know in the comments. And pretty much, yes, you're gonna want to get a 370. It is worth getting a 370Z or 350Z in 2022. These cars are amazing, fantastic. You could do anything with them. You could race them, you could drag them, you could turbo them, you could make them loud as hell. Just anything. You could put any body kit that you want on it. There's a lot of body kits, and just, they're amazing, guys. So go ahead and check them out. The price market right now for the Z's, they're a little bit expensive. They went up in price, but if you guys could find a affordable one, I would say go ahead and purchase the Z. You guys will not be disappointed, guys. Okay, this is gonna end my video right here. I hope you guys have a good day, good night, whatever time you're watching this video at. And make sure you guys comment, or just comment if you guys have any questions. And please like my channel, and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to hit at least like at least 400 subs by the end of February. So please guys, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more content, and you guys have a good one.